Did you know that reactivating your deleted Wise account is simple? Let's quickly walk through the process. First, visit the Wise website. Make sure you're using a supported browser for the best experience. Now, click on Sign In at the top right corner. This is where the magic begins. If you remember your login details, enter them here. If not, click on Forgot Password to reset it. After logging in, follow the prompts to reactivate your account. It's all clearly explained. Finally, once your account is reactivated, explore the features and enjoy the benefits of Wise. Keep your email handy, as verification links may be sent there during reactivation. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Wise support. They're quick to help. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security once you're back online. Don't forget to explore updated features to enhance your Wise experience. And that's it. Enjoy seamless transactions with your reactivated Wise account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.